This is the elevator at the right building in the Eisenhower Hospital Rancho Mirage campus. This elevator just left us. It used to be at the first floor.
Going up.
Which floor?
3.
3.
Third floor. Going up.
That's actually a nice speaker.
Fourth floor.
Like down to 1?
Going down.
Button beeps and the elevator voice. That's actually really cool. That was the person on my party. So yeah. Once again, this is at the right building in Rancho Mirage, Eisenhower Hospital.
First floor.
It's the elevator at the Kiewit building, Rancho Mirage, Eisenhower Hospital.
Going up.
4.
Fourth floor. Going down. Second floor.
Oh, pronounces the voice of someone who calls it in their lives. This is the elevator at the Probst building, Probst. This one didn't come with a voice. I think the other one did. Radiant floor passing time is one thing that this elevator has. These elevators were modernized by Otis. And rep 1. That's it. Here's the Dolores Hope Outpatient Center. Montgomery Kone with ERM fixtures. Button just went out on me. This is a Montgomery Kone elevator. Modded by ERM. The fans keeping the motor from happening. Here's an old indicator right here. We are at 3. Elevator 63. Wow. There's that many elevators. Let's go back down to 1. Go ahead and take a cab view. Look in the ceiling, what do you see? What's up? Yeah, I think this is a mod by ERM. But yeah, it's in the Montgomery logo, but you can also see the ERM fixtures. The elevator at the outpatient center, Rancho Mirage, Eisenhower Hospital. This might be the service elevator. Yeah, this is the service elevator. B? Doesn't seem like there's anyone here right now. And we're at B. Jumpy. Point right there. Apparently this is elevator 64. 3. This is apparently elevator 61. Oh shoot, there may be people here. Shoot.
Hey. Okay. Bye.
Right now? This is elevator number 2 at the main building in the Rancho Mirage campus of the Eisenhower Hospital. These elevators might be Westinghouse. Your certificates up there. That's elevator 1 at the Annenberg Pavilion. The fire alarm system at this place may be testing soon, so if we get some of that action, this is going to be an epic fail and an epic win at the same time, so that we'll actually see the fire alarm system in operation. Go up to 3. Dude, if we could stay for that, that would be really cool. 3. One. Here are public elevators 5 and 6. You have the Annenberg Pavilion in the hospital, Eisenhower Hospital, Rancho Mirage, California. Elevator might have a good motor. Oh, they're testing the fire alarm system. Cool. Oh, no way. I cannot believe it. They're actually testing the fire alarm system. You hear that, Mom?
Yes, I did.
Oh, cool. Not only will this be a fail, but it'll also be an epic win. At the same time, we'll just get off at 1, and then we'll hear the system in operation. We'll get off at 1, and then... Oh, 1. That's strange.
Great.
We can go up to 3. That's strange. Oh, we're already at 1. We'll get off here. So we'll let this be. That's it. Oh, that elevator was just called. Shoot, we'll have to.
Do you want to go down first? Then we have to push the down.
I'd like to go down first. Public elevators 3 and 4 at the extensive care unit, I think it's called.
Going down.
Ground? Interesting.
Ground floor. Going up.
4.
Cab view in case people get in.
Oh, I didn't realize I had rear doors. Oh, those buttons must control the rear and the front doors. That's cool.
4th floor.
1.
Going down.
And oh, someone must have called. Right. This is the service elevator, elevators 5 and 6 at the Eisenhower Hospital. Which building is this?
This is called the Annenberg Pavilion.
Cool. Censor them if possible. I'll try to censor them.
Which side, which floor are you on?
Going up.
I might go to the top.
Oh, goodness.
Evan is considering a career in elevator or fire tech maintenance, and so he wanted to ride the elevators and come out and look at them and everything like that.
Elevator, good business to get into. All my friends, like Papa Darrell,
Yes.
he worked in the elevator business. He worked for Otis. He worked for Tenson. He worked for all those companies.
Going down.
Yeah, I've noticed all the planes land and that's in the direction.
Going down.
With a G. There you go. You can just tell these are smoother and faster than hydraulics. Yeah.
But
That's
they don't,
true.
they don't have as interesting motors, that would be the, which one are you gonna start with?
We'll start with this elevator right here. This is the health sciences building. This was just modernized. Go up to 2. EPCO. Hear the motor. Got 2. This is a recent modernization right here. Oh, whoops. Forgot to push the home button. Not the home button, the door close button. This is a recent modernization, as I've heard from a staff member. We'd like to thank that staff member for taking us to that elevator. Well, letting us go up and down the elevator. But yeah, this is an Otis Series M2 hydraulic, I think. But yeah, can't tell the difference between M2 and M4. Let's take the other elevator here. That's a cool lantern. We'll go up to 2 once again. I don't think this one's a floor passing channel here. I've never seen Otis Series M2 hydraulics with EPCO lanterns. I think I've only seen them with Otis lanterns. Other than that, this is probably, I have no idea what that is actually. Otis Galvanic R maybe? I do not know. Maybe that's traction. Those elevators are cool. Here are the elevators at the Lucy Kirsty Cancer Center. These are Otis Series 1s. These are newer Otis Series 1s. Reflective doors. Oh, that's nice. 2 buttons over here, but the 1 button's right here. There's no 1 button right here. It's right here. Look at that. They might be modernizing this soon. Conveyance permit. I think means that they're modernizing it sometime soon. Or at least inspecting it. We'll get out of here. These look like, oh. These are like older buttons, but oh, they're on the same controller. Never mind. This is the elevator at the HERSCHEBERG building. There's 2 elevators here. There's one right here. There's one right there. Let's go down. This also looks to be a recent modernization. I'll work on this elevator. Huh. Elevator Hope Square number 2. Huh. We're at B. We'll go up to 3 next. This basement area. We'll go up to 3. Close the door. Door closed, but it's not working on me today. Go back down to 1. Store close button is not working right now. This is a newer Otis Series M2 elevator. Take a cat view. All all of these elevators here with motors actually have really great motors equally. There's the other elevator here. I apologize for the abrupt ending. My phone was about to run out of battery. Here's the other elevator at the HERSCHEBERG building. Also says Hope Square, but that also works. The other elevator looks exactly like this. Oh, I got a good feeling about this elevator right here. About the motor. We're at B. Oh, this has no floor passing chime. Huh. Newer Otis Series M2. This was also a little bit of a recent modernization. Oh, there's 2 lanterns on each side here. Or bell indicators. 500 pounds. These elevators here have equally great motors. Just the ones with motors on them, they have equally awesome motors. Come on. The door close button does not work on this thing, along with the other Hope Square elevator. Hopefully this doesn't cut out, because last time it cut out, it's kind of the exact same elevator, but it was this thing right here, and it got out as soon as it was getting out the elevator. But yeah, there's also, if I didn't get this elevator, there's another elevator here. The only difference is that it says Elevator Hope Square 2, and it also has a cool motor. That's it. Oh, this elevator might be turned off. We'll have to see. Oh, it's here. 2. Let's be quiet. That took a long time for the motor to start. This is the elevator at the abandoned building. And we have ourselves an older Otis Series 1 with a rare floor passing chime. That's it.